I'm Ashant from Simplify ERP. I'm here joined by my two colleagues, Mr. Nick and Mr. Sinisha. We're enjoying the Odoo Experience 2022 in Brussels. It's an excellent show. Odoo Experience is probably the best that we've had so far. We've had about 10 to 12,000 participants as reported. We've had several in 3,000, 4,000, previously in other locations. So the size is very impressive. The community is growing, the user base is growing. So we believe this is one of the best Odoo experiences we've participated in. Absolutely, my favorite feature is the Knowledge app. The integration between various database fields and the knowledge interface is by far the most promising feature. Of course, we are going to test this feature with our customers, show it to them, and see how their reactions are and if it validates itself. So we're excited about that more than anything else for this time's release, Odoo 16. I was in various module descriptions. There were some business events, some framework type of developer events, which were also very promising. Interesting KPIs presented on the framework performance perspective. So a mix of events so far on day one. Commerce Core is an ERP for e-commerce systems, e-commerce merchants. It provides all the basic features that merchants need out of the box in a single solution. The difference between Odoo and Commerce Core is that Odoo is a generic solution and it has to be configured per customer on an individual basis. Commerce Core, as far as merchants' needs are concerned, gives a single package solution deployed within 1 day to the customer in productive status. So ultimately, it's an ERP customized for the vertical and specific needs of e-commerce merchants. So far on day one, we are seeing good traction for Commerce Core as we spread the message, as we spread our marketing and the message and talking to known customers and existing partners. The resonance has been very positive. So I feel very positive about our approach in developing an out-of-the-box solution based on an Odoo Core being received well so far. And we'll be listening to a number of participants in the next days as well. So we'll see how it goes. The main questions that we are receiving is why Commerce Core? And our logic in building out-of-the-box solution based on the Odoo Core is very clear, is that we have standardized and generalized the requirements of a certain user group, a target group, and we have started to build a single solution that works out of the box out of this. I would say we are a pioneer in the Odoo community on building vertical solutions. We've thought and talked about this for a long time. And I think many people will be watching us to see if vertical solutions out of Odoo Core can be built. So we are sort of playing a pioneering role. Commerce Core provides a set of usual features that online merchants always need. We're talking about order management, we're talking about billing, we're talking about drop shipping, we're talking about connectivity to major e-commerce sales systems like Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopware, and of course Odoo's own e-commerce module. Inventory management, purchase management, we've unified all of these modules into a single solution that's delivered out of the box as a value proposition for the customer. I guess there will be a good announcement about that when we release it, but just to share a small amount of information, we're working on an AI-based translation module to help online merchants tap into the potential in foreign markets. So if it's an American online merchant, we'd like to give them the possibility of translating very easily their product descriptions into, let's say, German or Dutch or French, almost at the click of a button. This gives them higher access to these new markets and helps them to grow their revenue.